Imagine printing a fully working electric motor from scratch in just 3 hours. Sounds impossible, right? Traditionally, building a motor requires massive factories, precise copper winding, and complex assembly lines. But MIT researchers just flipped the script. They've developed a custom multi-material 3D printer that extrudes conductive inks, magnetic materials, and structural plastics, all in a single continuous process. The result? A fully functional linear motor that costs only about 50 cents in materials and requires just one quick magnetization step after printing. While it won't replace traditional mass production tomorrow, there are still hurdles with electrical resistance and scaling. This breakthrough is a massive game changer. It opens the door for rapid prototyping, custom robotics, and remote manufacturing where supply chains can't reach. We are stepping into an era where we don't just print plastic parts, we print entire working electromechanical systems. If you could 3D print a fully working motor or a machine right on your desk, what is the first thing you would build? Let me know your craziest ideas down in the comments, and make sure to hit that follow button for more mind-blowing tech breakthroughs.